How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 65 Malibu Chevelle SS 138 VIN. Car was restored several years back, done in Bolero Red, base coat, clear coat, real slick flat paint. Older gentleman had owned the car. You can see all the grill, the headlight bezels, those are all the original in excellent condition. He said the bumpers had been re-chromed. It's got a new hood spear on it. Car's real straight, flat down the sides. All the wheel well, rocker moldings are all real nice on the car. Nice set of 17-inch torque thrust wheels. He did a new windshield. The rest of the glass in the car is original and really nice condition. A lot of the tail panel trim is all the original and excellent condition. Rear bumpers all been re-chromed. We do have some photos of the restoration. I mean, this car's real flat, straight down the sides. Got the dual correct bow tie side view mirrors. It's got the disc brakes up front. He went through all the front suspension, all new bushings, ball joints. It's got power disc brakes, power steering. It's a 350 30 over. It's got Vortec aluminum heads. Set of headers and duals, nice aluminum radiator. Got a Holly carb on it. So all the jams are real nice. It appears it's all original body panels and floors. The front door panels are new. It's got the padded dash, which is in excellent condition, original. It's got factory gauge package with the in-dash tack. The headliner looks real nice. He had the seats all reupholstered. The rear door panels are the originals and they're very good condition. He put new carpet in it. It's got front and rear seat belts. Got the correct buckets. All inside the trunk's real nice. Comes with a car cover, a factory jack, spares, all there. The gentleman that owned it, he couldn't drive it no more. Family basically told him he needed to part with some of his toys. Otherwise, he'd have kept it. But he said, no, just sitting in the yard garage ain't gonna do any good. Got a nice retrofit stereo in it, original center console and shifter. We'll fire right up. It's just a super cool car. It's got the 2-speed power glide in it still. It's got the 308 gear. And you can drive this thing down the road, cruise. It's just a really cool car. Nice duals on it. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. You can visit us at 8180 South State Road, Goodrich, Michigan. You can also follow us on Facebook. Due to the salty roads and stuff, we won't be driving out on the road today. But you can check out the inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, folks.